You must be wondering, what is this wonder ingredient that we're talking about? You will be surprised to hear that it's something which is available in most of your kitchens, and you also probably have it in your pantry. The miracle ingredient that we're talking about is none other than baking soda. Baking soda is one of the most versatile ingredients that you can have in your house. The most common use of baking soda we can think of is, well, baking. But hold on. Sodium bicarbonate, the official term for baking soda, has plenty of other uses from personal to home care. In today's video, we'll be telling you all about the ways in which you can use baking soda that you might not have heard of. Don't forget to subscribe to Bestie and click the notification bell too. Number 1. Use it as a car wash. Baking soda causes dirt and grease to dissolve in water and won't damage the surface of your car, so it's very effective as a car wash. Pour 1/4 cup of baking soda into a gallon-sized jug. Then add 1/4 cup of dishwashing liquid and enough water to fill the jug almost to the top. Screw on the cap, shake well, and store the concentrate for later use. When it comes time to wash the car, shake the jug vigorously and pour 1 cup of cleaner base into the 2-gallon water pail. Fill the pail with warm water, stir to mix, and your homemade cleaning solution is ready for use. Number 2. Use it as a skin cleanser and a skin exfoliant. Baking soda is one of the best natural exfoliants around. It's very useful to even out the skin tone. For oily and acne-prone skin types, it can work wonders. Just mix a bit of baking soda in the water and apply the mixture with your palms on your face. Scrub the mixture in a circular motion to get rid of the dead cells and to reveal glowing and fresh skin underneath. Use this every day for glowing skin. Number 3. DeStink Your Hands. Using garlic and onions can make almost everything taste better, but their smell can linger on your fingers for far too long. Even after using soap, sometimes the smell stays. Baking soda can help remove this odor completely. It deodorizes by neutralizing both acids and bases, thus acting as a buffer between the offensive scent and you. Rub a tablespoon of baking soda between your hands, then rinse. You can also add a bit of liquid soap with the soda if you want. Number 4. Teeth whitening. Baking soda is a tried and tested true teeth whitener. It can lighten up your teeth a few shades without undergoing a serious dental treatment and saving you all that money. Mix 1 tablespoon baking soda, 5 drops hydrogen peroxide, and a few drops of water mixed into a small container until a consistent paste develops. Use a toothbrush to apply the solution evenly to your teeth and let it sit for 5 minutes. Brush it off with normal toothpaste and rinse thoroughly with water. To see serious results, repeat this process once a week. If you're not satisfied with the results, leave the mixture on an extra 10 minutes at a time and get sparkling white teeth. For an extra boost, you can dip your toothbrush along with paste in baking soda and use it every day as well. Number 5. Use it as a deodorant. Did you know that your average deodorant contains a lot of harmful chemicals like parabens, formaldehyde, triclosan, and aluminum? Aluminum is rumored to be linked to breast cancer and other diseases. Baking soda is a natural deodorant, and you don't have to subject your pits to a variety of chemicals to get rid of the odor. Mix 1/8 of a teaspoon of baking soda with a little bit of water, but don't dissolve it. Rub it into your armpits. You can also create a baking soda and cornstarch mix to fight odor and help prevent wetness. Simply mix 1 part baking soda with 6 parts cornstarch and dust a little on your underarms. A wonder natural deodorant. Number 6. Use it as a dry shampoo for pets. Apart from having so many uses for us humans, baking soda can be useful for your pets too. It works as an odor eliminator for pets between baths. In between wet shampoos, you can also use baking soda for dry shampooing dogs and cats. Start by brushing your pet to remove any dirt or loose hair. Then rub baking soda into your pet's fur and massage it into their skin, making sure not to set it into their eyes. Let the baking soda sit on your animal's fur for 5 minutes and then brush out the fur. To remove any remaining baking soda, rub your pet down with a dry towel. Otherwise, your dog or cat might lick its fur and ingest the baking soda. Make sure your pet is not allergic to baking soda. Number 7. Clear a clogged drain. You must have faced the problem of a clogged drain in your kitchen or bathroom. Drains become clogged due to oil, grease, hair, and scum from personal products. Baking soda can be very helpful in clearing your clogged drain. Being slightly alkaline in nature, it can dissolve mineral deposits and organic materials such as grease and hair, which are slightly acidic in composition. Start by pouring a pot of boiling water down the drain. Then pour a cup of baking soda and 1 cup of vinegar and water each. Cover with the drain plug and wait 5 to 10 minutes. Flush the drain with boiling water and see those clogged pipes clear right away. Number 8. Jewelry cleaning. When your jewelry gets older, it doesn't have the same sparkle anymore, and getting your jewelry cleaned can be an expensive affair. You would either have to purchase expensive cleaning solutions or fork out a good amount of money for a professional scrubbing. Baking soda is a cost-effective and easy solution to this. To remove buildup or tarnish from your silver, make a thick paste with 1/4 baking soda and 2 tablespoons water. Apply with a damp sponge and gently rub, rinse, and buff dry. To polish gold jewelry, cover it with a light coating of baking soda, pour a bit of vinegar over it, and rinse clean and see those jewels dazzle back to shine again. Number 9. Keeps vegetables green. Adding baking soda while cooking green vegetables to preserve its color has been practiced for a long time for a reason. The bicarbonate reacts with chlorophyll in vegetables and transforms it into chlorophyllin, a light green colored molecule helping preserve the color of vegetables. But there is a downside to it. The bicarbonate also attacks the vegetable's cell walls, weakening them. The vegetables may be greener, but softer as well. Just add a little baking soda to the water that you're using for boiling vegetables, and the vegetable will always retain its green color. Have you ever tried using baking soda for anything besides baking? Let us know in the comment section below.
Enjoyed this video? Hit like, share, and subscribe to Bestie. Wait, what kind of Bestie would we be if we didn't tell you about our other awesome videos? Go ahead, choose the left or right video and enjoy.